Okay, I got my new mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine in the mail. Well, the UPS guy delivered it as usual. And here are the plates. Let me take out this packaging. And here it is. Oh, and the handle is even on. Much lighter. It again opens up. And let's see. So there's a little, hopefully, instructions. You basically use it the same as the regular Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Here's plate 1. And let's put it up here. So this is for dies. Here's a plate 3. There are 2 clear plate 2s. Plate 3 is for embossing folders. And plate 4 is the 3D embossing folders. So let's give it a test drive. Now the first thing we need to pay attention to is we can't use anything that is wider than 3 and, well, just under 3.5 inches. The embossing folders are 3 3/8 inches. So that means all our papers and dies need to be less than 3.5 inches. Okay, so we will just follow the instructions. So I want to do an embossing folder, so we need, and is this one's a regular embossing folder, not a 3D. So we'll put 1 down, our cardstock in the embossing folder, which I guess I cut just a tinge wide, but that's okay. Then we'll put 3 on top. And perfect. Hopefully you can see the embossing. Turned out nicely. And now let's see if the die I have in here is okay. So in the catalogs you will notice dies and embossing folders marked mini. That means the whole set of dies will fit on this, but from the larger sets you can use these smaller, the smaller dies in the pack. Okay, here, this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to put this on and this on. And then I'll have to figure out something to do with it. And then we'll add our second Okay, at least get it semi-straight, although technically it doesn't matter, at least in this case. Wow, that is a challenge. Okay, it'll probably get looser as we go on. So there we have cut and embossed with the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So have fun using it. And if you need a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would be honored to be your demonstrator. So there's information below on signing up for my newsletter, and you will get information and craft project tips and projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.